Hello everyone, I am Swati Shrikant Jonkar from Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Department of CSE. Today we are going to study algorithm and data structure. So, course learning objective, understanding the importance of data structure and be able to identify the data structure requirement for an application to develop students' knowledge in data structure and the associated algorithms, to discuss common linear and non-linear data structure algorithm, to study the complexity and comparison among these various techniques, have a solid understanding and practical experience of algorithm design and implementation. So we are going to study introduction to algorithm and data structure. So, in first topic, we are going to study definition, classification of data structure, concept of data, data type, abstract data type, programming technique that is top-down approach and bottom-up approach, and structure, introduction to algorithm, definition and characteristics, analysis of algorithm, best case, average case, worst case, and complexity. In complexity, we will going to study time and space complexity. So, in chapter 1, so uh, if we arrange some data in an appropriate sequence, then it forms a structure and gives us a meaning, and this meaning is called as information. The basic unit of information in computer science is a bit binary digit, so we found two things in information. One is that data and other is structure. A data structure is a systematic way of organizing and accessing data in a computer memory so that operation can be implemented efficiently. A data structure is a mathematical or logical way of organizing data in the memory. Consider not only the atoms stored but also the relationship to each other, and also it characterized by accessing function. Data structure are divided into two main categories. One is primitive data structure and another is non-primitive data structure. In primitive data structure, there is integer, float, character, pointer and double. In non-primitive data structure, there is a linear data structure and non-linear data structure. In linear data structure is again divided into array, stacks, queues and linked list, whereas non-linear data structure is divided into tree and graphs. Primitive data structure. These are the basic data type of any language that forms the basic unit of data structure defined by the user, directly operated upon by the machine. Instruction which are in a primitive level. Integer, character, floating point numbers, pointers, string, constants, etc. are some of the different primitive data structure in C language. Non-primitive data structure cannot be manipulated or operated directly by the machine instruction. These are more sophisticated data structure derived from the primitive data structure. Arrays, structure, stacks, queues, linked lists, file, trees, graph, etc. are some of the different non-primitive data structure. The non-primitive data structure are classified into two categories, that is linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Now we are going to study linear data structure. Organize their data element in a linear fashion where data elements are attached one after the other. Traverse one after the other, and only one element can be directly reached by traversing. Some commonly used linear data structure are arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. Nonlinear data structure. Data elements are not organized in a sequential fashion. A data atom could be attached to several other data elements to reflect a spatial relationship among them. All the data atoms cannot be traversed in a single run. Data structure like multidimensional arrays, trees, and graphs are some examples of widely used nonlinear data structure. Application of data structure. Areas where data structure is widely used. One is operating system, compiler designing, relational database management system, network analysis, statistical analysis package, numerical analysis, graphics, AI, and simulation. So, what is the concept of data? Data are simply values or set of values. A data atom refers to a single unit of value. Collection of data are frequently organized into hierarchy of field, records, and files. An entity is something that has a certain attribute or properties which may be assigned values. For example, employee data for an organization attributes are name, age, gender, PAN number, and salary. Values: name is Samay, age is 28, gender is male, then PAN number is there and salary is there. So basic data type available in C language are many languages contains four standard data type. They are integer, float, character and double. So in this table we have data types like unsigned integer, signed integer, short integer, unsigned short integer, signed short integer, long integer, signed long integer, unsigned long integer, float, double, long double and enum. What is abstract data type? The programmer needs to define everything related to the data type, such as how the data values are stored, the possible operation that can be carried out with the custom data type, and it must behave like a built-in type. Such custom data type are called as abstract data type. An abstract data type is defined indirectly only by the operation that may be performed on it. For example, an abstract stack could be defined by two basic operations, that is push that inserts some data elements onto the structure and pop that extract an atom from it. Thank you.